Here at V8 Speed and Resto Shop, we get cars of every make, model, and year. One of my personal favorites is this 49 Olds Sedan Delivery. Believed to be a one-of-one vehicle, at least the first of the production run. When we had this car apart, you could actually see the manufacturing lines of what looks like old sedan. The roof was cut off, the rear doors were welded shut, and it became the vehicle that you see today. Believed to be a prototype, there are production numbers from 1950, from 1951 and on. I'm sure the internet will be sure to prove otherwise, but we go with what we know. This car is part of the owner's collection, and he likes the eclectic. His only complaints with this is it wore him out every time that he drove it. It had manual steering and manual brakes. While it was here, we maintained the original 303 Rocket power plant and the original transmission. We did add electric assisted power steering and power brakes to make his drive a little bit more easier and enjoyable. Along with that, we also added vintage air conditioning to keep him cool in the summer months. This car is also from a great age of design. You get a lot of chrome, you get bicolor badging, with mixed metals and mixed materials. This is definitely a product of the late 40s with all of its design cues and lots of chrome. To go along with all the mechanical improvements that we made on this car to make it easier to drive, we also made it a lot more comfortable on the inside. We handed it off to our interior technician, and he did his thing on the interior.
The interior was done previously, I think it was around the 90s, early 2000s, just by the wear and tear on it. From the factory, these vehicles, I don't think they were fully furnished or anything. They were mostly used as delivery vehicles and pretty much coach built, hand tailored to the person who's buying the car. And this one was just remade along the years to turn into basically a normal driver. The customer really didn't know what route he wanted to take with the interior. So when it comes to the interior, he just wanted something that was a little more up to date. So we picked out this gunmetal color for the gray, and then toast color for the upper cloth and the insert material. He knew he wanted bucket seats. Car came in with a bench seat. So we swapped him out a bench with 2 buckets. We went with 66 Impala buckets. The seats we had to actually bring in quite a bit just because of the taper of the roof. In order to keep a console with the seats coming in, we were only left with about 5 inches of space. So we were able to package up the console with a little storage. He's got his cruise switch and some 12-volt accessory things there. I think one of the bigger challenges of this was taking the bench seat out and going with the bucket. The floor structure was really weird, and then also how the subfloor was mounted was very weird. With moving that subfloor is that we had to remake the entire wood structure under here, where Spartan Johnny, our woodworker, he made all these new boards, and we worked together for tolerances and recovered all of it in the gunmetal carpet. I think it came out pretty well. I really like the storage in this thing because, I mean, whether you're setting something in the back or you've got, putting stuff in your cubbies, there's plenty of room. Got a lot of usability.
Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. My brand new car, my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Show you how the shifter feels, cause tonight is the night that we make it real. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
Isaac just buttoned up the interior on our 49 Oldsmobile. This car is unique in that we don't know exactly how many are made, but not a lot of them, because generally these cars were bought for work, and why would you buy a nicer, more expensive one? But somebody did. In this car's case, we didn't want to take away from what this car is. So we did a bunch of work with Mustang 2 suspension. We freshened up the engine, rebuilt the original Hydramatic transmission. We rewired it, rebuilt the gauges, updated them to work a little bit better, and added an electric power steering system. Overall, though, it's just a nice cruising car.
Look at the stars, how they shine so bright. The moon is full and makes a perfect night. So come along and close the door, 'cause tonight is the night that we've been waiting for.
With the improvements that we made both mechanically and in creature comforts on the interior, we're sure that the owner will be over the moon to get his 49 back in his collection.
We really enjoyed working on this 49 Oldsmobile and breathing some new life into it. So if there's something that you have like this that you'd like updated, let us know.
Gonna take you in my brand new ride, 'cause I got a new car and the keys are inside.